Ever wish you could just, download knowledge directly into your brain?
Well, today's deep dive is probably the closest we'll get.
We're diving into the world of AI, specifically a really interesting idea about making AI smarter. It's not just about building one massive AI brain, but more about combining different models.
Yeah, like assembling a team of expert AIs. It's called model merging. And the research you sent over suggests it might be a game changer.
So instead of one giant AI, we're talking about, what, specialist AIs working together.
Exactly. It's like imagine having one AI that's amazing at language translation, right? And another one that's brilliant at, say, writing poetry. Model merging lets us combine those strengths.
So we're not just making AI bigger, we're making it more well-rounded, more versatile.
Precisely. And the research suggests that this approach, model merging, might actually be more effective than just trying to train one massive AI model on all the data in the world.
That's wild. It seems counterintuitive, right? Wouldn't one giant AI be the most powerful?
You'd think so, but the research indicates otherwise. Merging models, each with its own strengths and specializations, actually seems to lead to a system that's not just more capable, but also, and this is crucial, more controllable.
Oh, I see. So it's like easier to manage a team of specialists with defined roles rather than trying to wrangle one giant AI brain doing everything.
Right. And this isn't just theoretical. The research you sent over mentions something called FewCell.
Fuse cell. Okay, so what is that exactly? How does that fit in?
So FewCell, it's basically like a framework, a blueprint for this kind of model merging. It allows researchers to take these different pre-trained AI models, each with its own expertise, and combine them, kind of like creating a supermodel that has the knowledge and capabilities of all the individual models combined.
Okay, that's pretty incredible. We're talking about next level AI here.
Mm.
And it seems like this whole idea of modern merging of AI collaboration, it really changes how we think about AI development in general, doesn't it?
It really does. It's not just about building one ultimate AI anymore, but about figuring out how to get different AI models to work together to complement each other's strengths.
It's like instead of building one giant robot to do everything, we're building a team of specialized robots that can work together to solve complex problems.
Exactly. And this research, particularly with examples like FewSelm, indicates that this collaborative approach could be the key to unlocking a whole new level of AI capability.
This is seriously mind-blowing stuff. If you're listening and want to really geek out on this, I highly recommend checking out that FuSelm research paper. It's fascinating stuff.
Definitely worth a read. It gives a glimpse into the future of AI,
Hmm.
and it's clear that the future is collaborative.
Absolutely. Collaboration, the key to unlocking AI's true potential. Who knew?
Hmm.
Until next time.